welcome back. In this lesson I'd like to illustrate how social scripts can be implemented, how they can be used, and I'm going to tell you the story of a little girl called Emily. Emily was getting really good at using full sentences to make requests for things that she wanted, and also to comment on things that she could see around her. She loved to make comments. One thing that Emily really struggled with was knowing how to actually open a conversation, how to simply greet another person. And the way that she started off trying to do this was always with a comment. So she would go up to somebody, and instead of saying hello, good morning, hi, how are you, or using the person's name, she would have had a look at the person and spotted something about them, and then start with some kind of statement about them. So she might say, you're wearing stripy socks, or you've got flowers on your top. And the other person would always be a little bit taken aback, because it's a rather unusual way to greet, isn't it? And we weren't quite sure how to respond. So often it would be, yes I have. And then the temptation would be to continue along that kind of conversation and then offer a comment back on what Emily was wearing. And because we do that, don't we? We kind of mirror other people's behaviours. So I wanted to help Emily. I knew that she could read really well. I knew that she was capable of using full sentences, and I knew that she was doing really well with requesting things and commenting. A membership to allaboutspeechtherapy.com unlocks this entire course and many others. Visit All About Speech Therapy to learn more. Membership to our school costs £29 per month. After joining our school, you will receive a copy of my book about autism and apraxia or Down syndrome that will help you to help your child.